Hi, I'm Joe from Logitech. Do you want to make your presentations more engaging? In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Spotlight 2 presentation remote and use the different pointer effects to enhance your presentations. Step 1. Download or update to the latest version of the Logi Options Plus app from app.logi.com. Step 2. Connect the Spotlight 2 using the Logi Bolt USB-C receiver or Bluetooth. Step 3. Select Spotlight 2 in Options Plus and click on the Highlight button. The Highlight button gives you two levels of control in one button with haptic feedback. Press lightly for a soft press or press more firmly for a hard press so you can switch between effects without using multiple buttons. Gently pressing and holding the Highlight button activates the digital pointer effect. You can choose the pointer color and size in Options Plus. You can also enable the cursor control to click on links or play videos during your presentation. Pressing and holding the highlight button firmly enables you to choose one of the 4 pointer effects. Let's go over each one of them. Spotlight. Highlight the important details on your slide with a circle that automatically dims the surrounding area, helping you to keep your audience engaged and focused on the right details. You can adjust the size and contrast of the spotlight with Options Plus. Now let's look at Squarelight. This lets you highlight a square-shaped area on screen, giving you more control than a circular spotlight. This really comes in handy for me when presenting spreadsheets or slides with graphs. Simply drag or create the square to highlight. Now let's look at Magnify. Zoom in on the smaller details that need extra attention for better visibility. You can adjust the area of magnification to your preferences with Options Plus. Annotate allows you to mark multiple areas of your slide. This effect is very useful for collaborative sessions like workshops or feedback sessions where you need to mark what needs to be amended or discussed. You can set the color of your markings with Options Plus. If you're using an extended screen, you can use the box in effect to confine the pointer effect to the portion of the screen that you are presenting. With Options Plus, you can choose the pressure you prefer for the highlight button to trigger the soft press or the hard press effects. So that's a quick tour of the different pointer effects that Spotlight 2 offers with Logi Options Plus. Get ready to present, engage, and inspire with Spotlight 2. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more Logitech tips. Let us know in the comment which pointer effect is your favorite. Thanks for watching.